Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Ahrefs Content Explorer for competitor content gaps, full guide step by step clearly. To register with Ahrefs Content Explorer, begin by visiting the Ahrefs website. Click on the Sign Up button located at the top right corner of the homepage. Select the appropriate plan that suits your needs. Fill in the required fields, including your email address and password. Review the terms and conditions, then check the box to agree. Click the Create Account button to proceed. You will receive a confirmation email from Ahrefs. Check your inbox and click on the confirmation link in the email. After confirming your email, return to the Ahrefs website. Log in using your newly created credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Locate the Content Explorer tool in the main navigation menu. Click on Content Explorer to open the tool. In the search bar, input your competitor's domain name. Explore the filters available to refine your search results. Use the Content Type filter to specify the type of content you are interested in. Adjust the language filter to match your target audience. Click the Search button to display content related to your competitor. Analyze the results to identify content gaps. Look for topics that are well covered by your competitor but not by you. Take note of the metrics such as social shares and backlinks for each piece of content. Use this data to inform your content strategy moving forward. Consider creating unique content that fills these gaps for your audience. Regularly revisit Ahrefs Content Explorer for ongoing competitor analysis. This will help you stay updated on industry trends and content performance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.